Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this wonderful Wednesday, November the 11th. Today is a B-Day. Please get ready to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing or silent and respectful for a moment of silence. Thanks, guys. On to the birthdays. We do have some birthdays to announce today. Happy birthday, Xavier Gilbert in 10th grade, Areli Rodan in 10th grade, and happy birthday to 11th grader Jesus Jaimes. I called you yesterday, but I didn't realize your birthday was today. I'm sorry that I missed that opportunity. Happy birthday, all three of you. I hope you're having a phenomenal morning, and I hope you continue to have a great day. You guys share a birthday with tons of people, but you share a birthday with Kurt Vonnegut, an author, and Leonardo DiCaprio. Actor needs no further introduction. Happy birthday. I hope you guys are all enjoying your day. On November 11th, this day in history, we also celebrate Armistice Day, the day World War I ended. Armistice Day, or Veterans Day, originated in 1919, the first anniversary of the end of World War I. Congress passed a resolution in 1926 for an annual observance, and November 11th became a national holiday beginning in 1938. Unlike Memorial Day, Veterans Day pays tribute to all American veterans, living or dead, but especially gives thanks to living veterans who served their country honorably during war or peacetime. Today, please give a special thanks to all the veterans in your lives, but also to Mr. Luis Garcia and to Mr. Armand Lefebvre. Thank you to both of these teachers for their service and for their work on our campus every day. November is also Native American Heritage Month. Often, the narrative in our country around Native people is that their culture and traditions are a thing of the past, and that is absolutely not true. So we want to highlight a few individuals who are fighting for Native representation and rights in our country. This week, we're starting with Deborah Ann Holland. She's a U.S. representative for New Mexico and was one of the first 2 Native American women elected to U.S. Congress. Holland is a member of the Laguna Pueblo people, and she's a strong advocate for climate justice and voting rights. A reminder about our middle school only AR reading challenge. Remember, this challenge centers on growth, not just the number of words each homeroom has read. The challenge started yesterday and goes all the way until November 30th. At Current, we have Miss McGrew's homeroom leading in 6th grade, Miss Patterson's homeroom leading in 7th grade, and Miss Saithry's homeroom leading in 8th grade. It's only the first day of the challenge, guys. There's still tons of time. Make sure you're working with everyone to read every day and increase those word counts. This is new. This was not in yesterday's announcements. Track and field tryouts are coming out. Sign-ups begin November 11th. Hey guys, that's today. Deadline to sign up is November 18th. And the first practice will be November the 30th. That's right when we get back from Thanksgiving break. To sign up, you can scan this code, super fancy, or you can reach out, as always, to Coach Green, to Coach Crockett, or to Coach Peoples. Track and field sign-ups start November 11th, which is today. Here's a friendly reminder about the schedule. No change here. IDEA is a great place to go to school. If you know someone who is interested in transferring or who is just starting up, please share this info. Another plug for attendance. Attendance is so important. I do realize that if you're hearing my voice right now, if you're watching these announcements, you're probably showing up for classes. But we all know someone who could go to school more, who could log in more. Please take a moment and reach out to someone. Send someone a message on Teams, send someone a message, and let them know that you missed them and that they're missing out. They could log in more. They could get something out of coming to school. Remember, this 90% rule isn't an IDEA Montopolis thing. It's not an IDEA district thing. This is a state of Texas thing. Come to school, guys. Tell your friends to come to school. Takes a village. Reminder about proper mask use. Masks should cover the nose and cover the mouth while you are in the building unless you are eating or drinking. If you have questions, please text at 512-814-5326 during normal school hours. If you haven't already followed us on Facebook, I mean, what have you been doing? Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and that we always will. I love you guys so much. I am so ridiculously proud of you, thinking about you, and I miss you. I hope you have a really great Wednesday. We're almost there. 2 more days. We've got next week and then 9 whole days off. We can do this. Have fun with Move This World. Have a great day, guys.